Every man have one. Some big, some small. But it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
Every man have one.
Yeah. Some big, some small. And it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
How would you about clout? I must who they talk, brother.
Wagwan people, you done know your boy JNL back at it again with the next episode of 3 questions. I watch them and no one can tell by the background. You know. You get to me and say, with the downtown, mad. Bro, with the downtown Kingston right now, one of the hottest spot. But watch you know, realize that the video them now get recommended to the people them because or they now like up the video them. You know, I watch the video them and now press like, so YouTube now push it out there so the people them out there can see it. You understand? So just do the right now, man. Because the last video had 2.5k likes with over 40,000 views. Come on, people, man. And when me not there, on the cuss. When me not there, you know, on the cuss, you know. See me there now, on now like up the video. Watch out, man. Just like up the video, man. You see me, just like it up from now. Even if you watch it on your TV, go on your phone, type it in, go press like. You know what I mean? So watch out, now. Episode 7, Downtown Kingston. You know what I mean? A good thing me cut me hair, right now with a flash. And it now touch me nowhere, so. You understand? And the best thing that. So watch out, now. Episode 7, you don't know, Downtown Kingston. Yeah, my boss. First thing, you know, give me a name.
Steve.
Steve?
Yeah.
Yo, my name Birdbeak.
Yo, what you did? You say Birdbeak?
Yeah, Birdbeak.
Where you get that name then?
Well, when I lick I did vex. I used to push on more, so. So them say, oh, my name Birdbeak, you see me? Yeah, man. Subscribe to my channel, name I am Birdbeak. Don't put no space on it. Just go up on YouTube, subscribe. More reach 1,000 subscribers. Big up.
Ever?
Yeah.
Oh, a long time, I know that, but watch out, give the people my name.
Yeah, daily.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man, you know, say a rapid boss, man. One choice record, they don't know. Yes, outside, the whole of town.
Oh, say an artist?
Yeah, man, you don't know you're DJ, man, you see it.
I run something now, okay, you are going.
Alright. JNL could run out. We are run out that, hey, money enough for be dropping at the club, so the buckle off a bus rum dropping on my cup. Girl, your body hot, come catch it on the talk to say me, you have a buzz and a jacket we love. Put in the work so the cash it have to come safe and capping go sit down cause with the hustling for fun. Play with my food, rush at in and me gun me head. Hotter than the sun and me win a kill like a jump. Our cash could run out. You can call me fanatic. Load up the tank, this blast in a traffic. Yeah man, one journey.
Yeah, mad.
I'm Leanne Williams.
Danny Jones.
Yeah, man, you don't know Shete Boss, man. One Shete Boss, one Downtown, you hear that. Follow me on TikTok, aka Shete Boss, the prodigy. That's what me I say, fully Gaza, brawling.
Kevin Anthony Grant.
Dana.
Top box. Top box.
Top banks.
Yeah.
My name is Oshin.
Oshin.
Yes.
And she says people say she go big up her store, you know, so watch out now.
You can find me on Instagram and TikTok, Fashion Buzz 876.
Which part of them can find you?
West Street, downtown.
Alright,
Good and a nice clothes them.
I'm out.
Panga in the street, Panga Nuts.
Panga Nuts.
Queen for downtown, yeah.
How you get that name then?
Well, it's according to my personality in town, how I react to people when they come and stuff. So I guess people like, they're more attached with me because I guess I'm the one who is more socializing.
I'm Gabrielle.
Nicholas, my name.
Nicholas.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Every man have one. Some big, some small, but it feels good when they blow it. What is it?
Can't answer that one day, you know. Can't answer that one day.
What make?
I'm gonna feel when you blow up. When you blow?
Yeah.
When you blow?
Every man have one, you know.
Every man have a cock, yes, but I'm saying when you blow?
That means say every man have one, you know. Some big, some small, and it feels good when they blow it. What is it?
You discharge, man.
Eh?
When you fuck.
When you
Yeah.
How you get that?
You
In the discharge when you come,
Yeah.
you depend on it, man.
You say discharge.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna give you the answer.
No.
Every man have one. Some big, some small. But it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
Every man have one.
Some big, some small. And it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
How would the buckler? I must who they talk, brother.
Most wood.
Yeah.
Why is it that?
Because when a girl blow the hood, it feel good. And some man hood big and some man hood small.
It feels great when you blow it. What is it?
That question you have to repeat.
Every man have one, you know. Some big, some small. And it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
Every man have one. What is it?
Yeah.
Channel, I don't feel like an answer for that one. The one you have answer?
Why it sound like you don't answer?
No, two told me to blow a balloon, so I wonder what is now. You know what I say?
Yeah. Every man have one, you know.
Every man have one.
Yeah, some big, some small. And if you blow it, it feel good.
And if me blow it, it feel good.
Yeah.
So if you blow it?
Still feel good.
Oh, no, the kid is the bad doctor.
Me don't know what this. God.
Yes, sir.
Me don't know what this.
You give up?
I mean, I have to give up on that one day. On that one day, me give up.
Every man have one.
Yeah.
Some big, some small.
Yeah.
And they feel good when you blow it. Hold on. We can't catch a one there.
Every man have one.
Yeah. Some big, some small, and it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
Feels good when I blow it. Yo, Janelle, God.
Every man have one. Some big, some small, and it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
Lord Clam, I don't know nothing about that. You know, say killer now blow nothing on it.
You don't know nothing about that?
I don't know the one that pass. I don't know the one there.
Every man have one. Some big, some small, and it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
How can somebody say ask me? Every man have one. Some big, some small, and it feel good when you blow it. I don't know. No.
Ask back the question. What kind of question this dog? Ask it back. So the way dog, ask it back though, because I think.
Let's say again, you know. Hold on. Every man have one. Some big, some small, and it feels better when you blow it. What is it?
Look, every man have one. Some big, some small. It feel better when you blow it. Your career, because your career can blow up, you know. I'm big, you know, brawling. Because I don't know, I don't say nothing west. You see it? Yeah, that my career can blow up, brawling, I'm big and get global. I must that my career and my self-esteem blow up.
Some small, and it feel good when you blow it. What is it?
Every man have one.
Yeah. Your nose.
No, I don't know. I don't know what man have big and have small and feel better when I blow it.
Wait, what?
Every man have one. Some big, some small. And it feels better when you blow it. What is it?
Yo, me circle.
Wait. I can't Google it. I can't Google it. I can't ask somebody for the answer.
No.
I can't get the help now, nothing. One more time again.
Every man have one.
Every man have one.
Some big, some small. And it feels better when you blow it.
You can't blow your tongue. Blow. Your nose, balloon, I don't know.
Nose.
Nose is the answer?
Yeah, man.
Every man have some big, some small.
And it feels better when you blow it.
Not tell a lie, that one day I kick out my head side.
Every man have one. Some big, some small. And it feels better when you blow it. What is it?
Yeah. Can you say it again?
Every man have one. Some big, some small. And it feels better when you blow it. What is it?
Another one day.
Jano, that's all I'm way, man. Repeat it.
Every man have one, you know.
Yeah.
Some big, some small. And it feels good when you blow it. What is it?
I don't know what I want there. I swear, I try to think. My brain at work look clean, but blow it. They don't blow things, brother. When they blow it, no, man, I don't know. I can't figure it out. I swear.
Alright, so you give up?
Yeah.
You know one?
Oh. Yeah, but when they talk about blue, you know that's something they got. Oh.
Tell me now.
You want the answer?
Yeah.
You know, man. You see it?
Fuck out.
Which tire doesn't move when the car turns right?
None of them.
Eh?
None of them.
Which tire doesn't move when the car turn right? No man, you bust my brain you know, my general. You bust my brain. Hold on there. The whole I tire them move when the car turn right.
Which tire doesn't move when the car turns right?
That we ask more a question, though?
Boy, if you don't get...
Tie them round this and move.
Which tire that?
Tie them round this. Tie them round this.
All I tell them move, man. All I tell them move.
Which tire doesn't move and the car turn right?
Yeah.
I'm not so fast again this saying so. I'm not a license. What?
Which tire doesn't move when the car turn right? I must run your back tire them. I must run your back tire them.
Back tire?
Yeah.
Which tire? The tire, the four of them not gonna turn.
So which one don't move?
Yeah, when the car turn right.
I question me reason when I go to school. I don't know.
Tire warehouse.
Which tire no move when the car turn right? On a flat tire. Well, I tell you what. This tire no move when the car turn right. Cause boy, give me an answer, cause.
Say what the answer?
Yeah.
Spare tire, man.
Boom, big up yourself.
Which tire doesn't move when the car turn right?
Which tire?
I retire me I get. I not get no more.
Retire?
Yeah.
Why you say retire?
Because when I retire, you no move.
Which tire doesn't move when the car turns right? Which tire doesn't move? Which tire doesn't move when it turns right?
The car turn right.
When the car turns right. The spare tire?
Yeah. When a car turn right.
Which tire? Back tire. The turn right. The left back tire.
Yeah.
You want me to give you the answer?
Yeah.
The spare tire. Yeah, which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
I must ball clot, man. Eh? Frighten a thief.
Yeah, which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
Gun.
Can frighten a thief.
Oh God, oh God.
Eh?
God go away from me, so.
No man, which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
No, no, it's 3.
Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
Yeah.
Yo, down a tricky star.
Simple
3
man.
letters can frighten a thief.
Yeah.
Boom. Yo, me have to go skip that one.
Which 3 letter can frighten a thief?
It's 3 letters can frighten a thief. Me a thief. How 3 letters for frighten me? You say that possible?
What you say? Oh, 3 letters for frighten you?
Yeah, as a thief.
As a thief?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this for years. How 3 letters for frighten me?
G-U-N.
Eh?
G-U-N.
G-U-N?
Yeah, gun.
Why you say that?
Gun. G-U-N a gun.
Which 3 letter can frighten a thief?
Which 3 letters can frighten? Aye. What? No, you can't say go ahead. Go ahead, that be like 4 letters this so. Which 3 letters you use frighten a thief?
Yeah, yeah.
What? Oi?
Eh?
Oi?
Oi?
Yeah.
Boy, I don't know that one on the heart.
Thief.
Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
I don't know that one. That one is tough, brother.
Next one, right? Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
Which 3 letters can frighten? If me is a thief, 3 letters. Man! Me I say man.
Me no run.
That both of them they want to say is a word.
3 letter?
Yeah. Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
Okay, That name come now.
Thief.
No,
But thief and a 3 letter.
Can frighten a thief?
Which 3 letters can frighten a thief? Cop.
Eh?
Cop.
Cop.
Yeah.
Which 3 letters and that word, you know? Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
You know that one that may pass again, bro. Not even them schoolers, I don't know. And them are schoolers. Why? Tell me.
Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
Yeah, I'm a schoolers.
Which 3 letter can frighten a thief? Gun.
That is a word. 3 letters. You say bad, bro?
God.
God? You want me to get the answer?
Yeah.
I see you.
Oh. Jano. Better you think outside that box. Outside box question you come with the answer them outside box. Yeah.
Which 3 letters can frighten a thief?
This 3 letter can frighten a thief. C-O-P, cop.
That is a word.
3 letter word.
Which 3 letter you know, can frighten a thief?
Can frighten a thief?
Yeah.
3 letter, I don't know that one there.
Yes, you don't know that one. You want me to give you the answer then?
Yeah.
I-C-U.
I-C-U.
First thing, Popo.
3 letter can frighten a thief. Which 3 letter can frighten a thief? Don't know that one there.
Yes, you don't know that one either. Yeah, you want the answer? I-C-U. You want me to give you the answer then?
Yeah.
I-C-U. Welcome people, thanks for watching. So watching and make sure you guys click the like button, cause if you look back on the last few videos, the views are not like as usual. That's because we not get enough likes, so YouTube now recommend the video out there. You know what I mean? I have a second channel, if all who never know, I have a second channel which is a vlog channel. Watch the vlog here, right here, so or click over the side here. So once you click on it, you go straight to the vlog, you see me? And make sure everybody go over there and subscribe to JNL's vlog. Not JNL's, but JNL vlogs. Go over to my second channel and subscribe. There's no way I can have a first channel, which is the main channel. I have a second channel. I want to subscribe to the second channel. Squad, we wanna deal with. Remember I'm telling you, say yo, I gotta link up with everybody. The big artists, you know? Big artists.
You don't know everybody there, the whole team link up.
Yeah. Dog, you know? Active, man. Mad. That's what I like.